Hello there, my Stampin' friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 58 today. We're using the delightfully eclectic DSP, and I've picked this daisy pattern for our background. We're going to simply crease our 4x6 DSP panel at 3/4 at the bottom. Then I'm going to use the other piece of DSP for my sentiment. I stamped it on the paper as shown, and then I used my something fancy dies to die cut that out. So here are simple parts that we're going to use for the project today, and you can get all the details on my mini tutorial. I'll use the links below. So to start, we're going to fold and crease our card base. Then we're going to take that DSP and crease it along that 3/4 inch line and fold it back up. I use liquid adhesive to adhere it to itself, and this creates the background panel for the card. Simply use liquid adhesive and add that to the front of your card, like this. Now we're going to add the paper ribbon across the seam. You could or could leave this out, it's your choice, but I like to put a little paper ribbon there. Then I'm going to take my sentiment tag, put it on dimensionals, and add it to the front of that card along the paper ribbon. So that's a pretty simple sketch. I hope you enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed it, please, I love the comments, the thumbs ups. Also subscribe to the channel here. You're welcome to subscribe to my newsletter. And if you purchase with me online, you will get the thank you kit in the mail from me for a little make and take project. All right, do some fun stamping, and I'll see you again real soon.